Hello everyone. Today is Friday. Today is a Messi day. First, let's congratulate our last week winner who will receive this collectible decor set of 2026 US Soccer National Team jersey set. And I hope the winner will proudly show off this amazing display set and cheer on the US Soccer National Team. And to me, everyone's national team is out of any competition. No matter you're Ronaldo or Messi fan, national team should be on the first place. I hope Leo Messi fans are watching, as today we're gonna build Lionel Messi soccer highlight set from LEGO Editions. This set number is 43011 and it's recommended for ages 10 and up. So let's open it and start building. So we have here 4 bags of Lego pieces and 1 instruction manual. So we're done with this fantastic collectible set for Messi fans. Lionel Messi Soccer Highlight Set. I totally enjoyed building the set of one of the greatest soccer players of all time. Let's take a look at some of the details. So the base itself is formed in the shape of Messi's initial and features the colors of Argentina, Messi's national team. Here we have a large number 10, which is one of his iconic jersey numbers. Lionel Messi minifigure brings the set to life by scoring a creative goal here. Here is also a collectible plug displaying his player stats and name. Lionel Messi soccer highlight set makes a great gift idea for Messi's fans or even for Messi himself. That would be fantastic seeing Messi to comment, "I want it" for the giveaway. Anyway, dreams are dreams. Let's go back to our reality and see what we also have here. And also in the background, we have here some buildings here. I think it's Messi's house in Rosario, Argentina, where the legend was born. Tell me what you think about the set in the comments below. And who is your favorite soccer or football player? And of course, the set is also for giveaway. You can find all the giveaway details and rules in the video description managed by my parents. Thank you for watching. See you next Friday. Bye.